denn sein? Hello and welcome back to CarX Part² on number actually 320. Well, it's actually the night, it's actually afternoon, so we are just testing some cars here out and having a little fun time. Like always. It's set up actually YouTube first, I'm sorry for that one, it's all in the same crack. What the hell? Hello call? What? Sometimes the cell phone's going crazy.
Hello all.
Die von Ihnen gerufene Rufnummer ist zurzeit nicht verfügbar. Bitte spucken Sie... Okay. Bitte spucken Sie in den nächstmöglichsten Mülleimer. Das ist schon höflicher. The memory call is not available right now. Please spit action in a nearby trash can. Okay. That is just boring, right? Ach, geht ja schon wieder schlecht los. Ja. Also das braucht dann auch nicht eingeben, oder? Her mit doppelt. Sehr fix. Okay, erst, oder? Hat er gesagt. Also noch ein Gramm. Jetzt ist Knackbrocher. Dann hat gemeint, der Scherz bloß und es ist weitergegangen. Ja, ist ein Druck gestorben. Passiert, ja. Geh erst, ne? Hat der Krampf. Jetzt haben wir so Katzenvideos vorher angeschaut, jetzt ist ja alles voller Katzenvideos. Was ist das für Müll? Sit fix. Getting two calls, what the hell is that? Drift car. Gluck. Ich weiß nicht, was das auf Englisch heißt. Gulp. Ach so, of course. Gulp. Mein Gott, das schaut gut aus. Top. Ah ja, so ist das. Oh, ist das mit dir los? So Tagesaufzeiten bereit. Mr. Guyver back. Mensch, Kinder, das gibt's aber nicht. Das Maul trockenlegen macht einen so dermaßen müde. So kaputt. Sich einer verabschiedet, sehr toll. Immer wieder geil. Wo ist mein... Ach, da ist er. Wo ist denn das? Was soll das heißen? So. Das sehen die auch noch nicht, oder? Fixiert. Keine Ahnung, ob das... Ist das schlimm? I don't know. Right, where's the music? Where's that music? Here we go, V10. Here we go. Sorry, it's always like setup stuff. Fucking up. Alright. What's that? "37-year-old guy actually plays video games still? No. Have no life or something, this crack. I don't care. Still a child, right? Yeah, something like that. What we having here? Pacific Hills, alright. Winter Red Ring. Get the hell out of here. Kluki, kluki. Tschüss, ab kein Fighter-Sport, bis du so Loot-Gold, so den nicht, ne? Na, haben wir geschaut. Oh, scheint sauber zu sein. Omitted. Under the table. Seid der Tequila zu fix? Gute Frage. Nicht auf einmal Tequila holen und sag. Schon wieder. Da mag jemand raus. Ist das mal, ja, da ist aber auch nicht mehr viel drin. Karotten. Spinde wieder. Krass. Da war der Kübel nicht da. Tschüss, ab kein Fighter-Sport, bis du so Loot-Gold, also nicht mehr gespielt. Scheiße, was ist denn schon wieder? Ah. If I just see something, right? It's a little dirt or something. I can't stop. I need to clean it. Oh, please help me out of here, alcohol. Ah, I love that. So I had the taste for my cigarettes. What the hell? So that's how actually a girl feels like when you get a kiss on her or something. Smell like all the tongues like smoke. Cigarettes. Compramos. Drake. Hold on. Since when the humans are actually being an objective and you can make— oh, what the hell? What the hell was that? Whatever. Something's wrong in the game. Holy shit. Didn't saw that coming up. That's just weird. Saying to myself, the damage. Oh, here we go. Hold on a second. What's that? Okay, at the beginning, actually, my car was not braking. I think something is broken here on the controller or something is cracked. Then the second one was as we drove closer to the peoples. Hold on. I was in here as I started up to drift, right? And I was a half meter or something away from his feet. Why is it telling me that? This is not an objective, right? These are people. I mean, what the hell? Okay, it's virtual, but that was so freaking weird. Told me how far away actually from the feet from that person's here. Well, what the fuck? Oh, Mr. Officer. Oh well. Zombie Zoo has opened up. Oh crack, that is fast. Oh hell no. Oh, the two officers actually. The park officer and actually the sheriff himself. And somebody actually was playing something. Baseball, right? Oh hell no, what the hell is that? Yeah, hoo, I'm here, I'm blah blah, I know. Watch to the camera, but I don't want to watch you ghouls. Oh my god, I tried to say it. Tried to say guys, but actually they're ghouls. Zombie Zoo. The hell are you making up in here? Alright, somebody's actually protecting the toilets. Oh, crack. Oh, look, he's smiling. Oh my god, what the hell? It freaks me out. There's something on the stomach? Dude, there's the toilet behind you, half meter away from you. Come on, turn around and just go. Who cares on you? Is that your car? Why you not inside? Why you not drifting? Alright, suspicious. 3 guys and a woman. She's trying to... What is she doing here? Oh yeah, I'm an officer, 18 years old actually, or something, you know, I mean, in my job. And the other guy, I need to go to pee, goddammit, I can't decide as well. The other guy, I think he's, trying to mesmerizing her later. The back. Creeps. And the girl, I can't decide. Run, girl, run, just run. Alright, what are you watching at? Somebody a toilet? No? Alright, I see nothing here. That is weird. What are you waiting for, guys? The other guy again, the smiler. Alright, he's even filming it. What? What are you filming? There's nothing. You guys are seeing something what I don't see? Hold on, I have something for you. Oh, that's a fart. Hope you can smell it. Instead of seeing it, what I don't see. Alright, here's actually a normal conversation starting up. But I know what they are looking for. Alright, that's okay. Understandable. Oh, not again. He had something in a pocket or something was wrong? Oh gosh, hell. Same freaks. You again. Ah, freaks me out. Oh shit, crack. Let the show begin. Why is it actually not... Why is my car not driving? Oh my god, I can do that as well. I can break this one as well at the same time. Oh, okay, hold on. And how can... No. Did I have to go out? What? Oh yeah, I have to go out for that. Alright, you can break and do the same... Oh, that's cool. That is super nice. I mean, that one is okay, I know that. To have the car actually static? Or states or something? Which is holding on? There's actually a special word for that, right? All the times I was thinking, what the hell, why is my car moving here? Oh my god, it's the broken controller here. You have to press a little bit harder on the buttons. Help me out of here. It's got my trying to help me out of here. For freak's sake. Next. That took me actually 10 minutes, what I just did. The replay and the list. Now, what the hell is wrong? Oh, fy dejlighter. What is that? I don't want to know it. I'm going to pee right back, like always. Oh my gosh. My knees are hurting. My back hurts a bit. My hips are hurting. Hippocratics. My hips are hurting, I'd say. First one I just did, I just come to the toilet and saw something on the floor. I cleaned it. Oh my gosh, stop that doing this kind of things. You modern hell talker. Grischball. Genau. Grischball auf Englisch. Grischball, das gefällt mir so. Wenn ich drüber nachdenke, was das eigentlich wirklich heißen darf. Grischball, wenn man es noch schreibt. Grischball. It's kind of very, very weird and confused dude. You're just saying Grischball. Or maybe, I'm not even sure what that in Bavarian actually translated to mean. But I can't actually translate that in English to English. It's kind of made you saying mother talkers then to Grischball. Oh my gosh. No wonder you're speaking out that Ü und Ö und überhaupt nicht aus. Grischball. I'm trying to say that in English, you know. Then it's over. Grischball. Kind of say you mother talker. Son of a mother talker. Something like that. Grischball. I'm not sure what it actually means. Schon lange nicht mehr gesagt. Jetzt hab keine Strafe, ist du sollst Gold raus und die Schneck spielen. Help me out of here. Warte mal, vielleicht gibt's auch was. Night and dance with me. To go. Dance, night and dance. Holy moly, is there something new here? What's going on? Time out. Let me out. Oh. The next door. Nothing. Racing, I think. Get me out of here. So, get me out of here or something. Schauen wir mal. Broke not ball. There's no get me out of here, right? This is such crack. I was really starting up to doing something on a vehicle, it's just customizing. Somebody's watching that, what the hell? I hate that. I'm not want to do right now. Hold on, here we go, get me out of here. Or other games later on. Hello wall. Damn it! Problems officer? Oh, that's cool. Works for me. Just in here, right? Oh, cracking rad. No, what's wrong? Hangs a bit. Look at that. Where's the neck?
What kind of build is that? Drag?
Eh? What's with drugs?
Hello.
What kind of build is that? Drag. The girl was saying drug. Drag, of course. I know what we're telling about. Hey, Jude. And hello. What kind of a build?
Drag?
Yeah, I know. I was understanding drug. So it's like drugs? I mean, I'm smoking cigarettes and drinking beer, okay. Yeah, I know. I'm not sure it's a Camaro, right? Isn't it? But this game is confusing as well.
Huh.
Yeah, it must be a Camaro SS. But seriously, I'm not sure. I'm not an expert in American vehicles, you know. Let me see. It says Hornet GT, so yeah.
Not sure.
It must. It's not a drag car. It's a drift car, actually, but it looks a little bit like draggy, but it's just the aerodynamic
I
kit.
use BMWs.
I use BMWs. Alright. First one of these BMWs I have. I mean, I use a lot of vehicles. I use a lot, you know. Oh my gosh, the Betsy car. I mean, I got these 112 cars, and I think 80 of these cars are ready or something. From 140 cars, you can actually earn. I'm sorry, music is so loud right now. Where's that stupid list anyway? Oh, here we go. Mostly I use the BMWs as well.
You kinda.
The weird cars here. Doesn't matter. Kinda. Yeah, me too, I'm weird as well. Hard quality. I'm a construction worker, you know, from Bavaria, Germany. I just fall into actually the beer stuff there in the childhood, and so I'm always weird. Like that dude Obelix or something, you know? Just kidding.
I got a little more than 7K hours on CarX.
7K hours on CarX. 7,000 hours! Hold on, 7,000 hours! 7,000 hours! And you just got only BMW, I'm confused. What's 7,000 hours in how many days? I got actually 63 days now. Hold on.
PC.
But I'm using actually another account as well, and I think about 4 or 5 days now. So let's see, what was 68 days? 68 days, multiplicate here, 24. Oh, a 1.6K actually I'm on. So you are then... Okay, hold on a second. Mathematic. So you are by 290 days.
I am on PS.
M days, I'm sorry, days. I'm on PS. Yeah,
so
yeah, I mean so.
290 days? More. Laughing.
What? Hold on. Let's make this not so complicated. 7K actually versus 291 days and 6 something and 6. Alright. Yeah, well, I'm playing this game since 3 years, and I like it very much.
Feel free to add me.
Look my name up. Feel free to add me.
D.R.O D.
Was that German? Okay, hold on. So I'm adding you. Okay, let's see. So is your name Dean? Or is your name Judy? It doesn't matter. Yay, you have a new subscriber!
I am a doodle, I can add you.
Should be nice actually on the PlayStation if you're just actually doing some videos in here. It's always cool to see. But it's in your turn, you know, don't care about that one. It's enough that actually some guy like calling me, you know, I don't want to tell my name. Actually, it was DefRekka, but now I'm DjVolgin. So since my childhood, actually. That these guys actually live streaming, and there's enough for that.
Using fam YT
you don't want to see that
account.
trash what I'm doing, actually. Using fam YouTube account. Ah, okay. I am you, or I can add you. Was that a question? Where was I? The Hornet. God damn it.
Just have fun, that's all.
Since when the internet can stink? Oh well, I just did it. Yeah, that was actually last year with the glass fiber, actually some little problem, and I just decided actually to get around with it with a satellite, you know, directly. So that internet was a little stinky. Enough talk. Let's drift and sift. Yeah, on DefRekka account on YouTube there was always like drift and drunk and drift, yeah, or drift or drunk. Drift and drunk. I think drift and drunk was actually the name all the times for the titles. They came actually... See, I have right now 320 actually live streams already done on CarX, right? And that's in a 1.5 year. And in these other 1.5 year, I just did a 260 or something on DefRekka account. R.I.P. because actually somebody just hacked it away. As well, on the PlayStation as well. I was get hacked away, the DefRekka account. 13 years. I'm pissed. Still pissed, yeah. I'm missing it. There was more than actually 800 games on it. Oh, and a lot of time of these video games. Already now I played it actually twice on that DjVolgin account as well. I just raped it over actually. Okay, with the safe wizard. Not done yet. Ooh, crazy, what the hell? Interceptor?
Yeah, I've been on a few servers with that name.
Okay. So you played offline? Or what do you mean with that? If you just get actually 290 days actually already to run off that game. So 6 years maybe then. You're just playing this game since 6 years or something, right?
No.
Man, that girl is always loud.
Online.
No, online, okay. But how long you playing this game? Since 2017 or 2014? I think 2014 was actually the start on the computer system, right? And on the console and the PlayStation actually it started up in 2017 or something. I found out very late. 2 months
after CarX came out.
Wow, okay. Yeah, since 3 years. 2021 I just found out after actually Colin McRae's game, these Dirt 2 and actually Need for Speed. I don't want to play Need for Speed anymore. Especially the Unbound, I hate, so I'm not a fan anymore for Need for Speed. Tried a lot of other games out. Like car was that Street Car or Car Street? Or something like. It's the same publisher like this CarX, right?
FK
Good
and
game,
FS.
was fun. But that was a long time ago. So somehow I find out, hey, there's a drift game out there. Hey, cool, I like drifting. Since actually my childhood only and stuff. So they brought out more actually in the car games.
I hate the way NFS looks.
So since there I like it, you know. I hate the way Need for Speed looks. Yeah, this Fortnite mixed with Need for Speed now. I hate it. That's why I'm not buying me a PlayStation 5 for that. There's other games actually I want to buy with the PlayStation 5. So I don't have a PlayStation 5 because these games are not my types anymore. I'm kind of this old school guy. But not so old school that actually I'm bringing my Dreamcast on Nintendo 64 actually out. No, it's still actually the car, but...
They just really need to add maps, fix the fucking lag.
Yeah, definitely. Oh, here we go. Back to the car. What the hell he's looking at? Problems, officer! Remembers me on... Horsejack, Horsejack. No, hold on. Horsejack. No, well, how was that movie? That series? Oh my gosh.
I am a
BoJack the
120
horse.
guy only.
BoJack the horse. Here we go. I'm 120 guy only. What? You mean the kilograms or what? Hold on.
£240 I got.
And I think you're not 120 years old, right?
37YIM.
There we go. Alright, let's just do something.
Still
Dealing
Childrish.
gun.
Lol no in 47.
Oh, you're not American, right? Because you say, lol, no, I'm in 42. Okay. Where are you from? I'm from Germany. Or maybe you're typing with the stupid cell phone. I don't know. I have fat fingers as well, and I can't. Sometimes when I'm typing actually with the cell phone, I got a real problem in there. And all the times the guys are thinking, oh my gosh. Or actually, especially my right hand from the boss, you're drunk again. I say, no, I have only fat fingers. Construction worker,
Light
right?
90S100S110S. US of A.
US of A. Huh? Use of okay, here we go. Whoa, the pending very hardcorely in here. 20 kilograms here and there. Oh, that's weird. Crazy.
USA.
Are you athletic or something? USA! USA!
Laughing.
90s, 100s, 110. Are you working in the kitchen or something? You eating, going to work and sweating very much or something? Maybe that's why these 20... Is that kilograms or pounds? So then it's 10 kilograms then. 10 kilograms, that's okay. Because I'm a construction worker, it was very hard or something, and I'm sweating hardcorely as well, and I'm using sometimes 6 kilograms on a day.
Know the tires.
It's because I'm drinking very much, you know.
In CarX.
CarX. Oh! Now I got you. I'm so sorry. 100. I think this car has 100. So street tires. Not the rotten tires, these 90s, right? The 110 is our drift tires, and 120 is actually these kind of
120.
Formula 1 tires.
Ha 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 ha.
I thought your weight. About your weight. That's why I was talking about. I told you about actually these 240 pounds of weight, right? And then these 90, 100, 110. Oh my gosh. 20 pounds every day losing here and there. So that's why I was talking, man. Let me know about these tire condition. Oh, crack. That was a good one. Yeah, sorry for that one. Sorry. Cheers up, Campagner Strawberry Silly, so du skal present die next spielen. Always been starting up to talk or something. I can't talk in the same time when I'm drifting. Because I'm a smoker, I'm drinking alcohol, you know.
No LOL,
listen to Spotify
120
music.
is for drifting LOL. People just need to learn how to tune the that's all.
120 is actually maxed out, yeah, but 110 is normally the drift tires. I'm using actually not the 120, I'm using all the times the 100 or 110. I don't know why these 90s are still existing, you know. Don't know. Just for fun or something. And it's not working on ice as well, these 90s. Especially it's not working on ice. Trust me. Yeah. 頑張ります。Correct. Was it green? I don't know.
I guess half-hearted is more like being on a 4-0 occasion.
Hold on, I don't can speak. The Spotify music in my earbuds, you know. I can show you later, hold on. I think the game is very loud or something. No, seriously, I can't speak right now. Have my cigarette in my mouth. Listening to Spotify music over the earplug, soundcore. Did you walk? Yay, you did it! Okay, I explain you that. I'm going front of the camera, dude. Holy shit, what happened here? Alright, here we go. I got these ear plugs in, right? These ears plugs in. Listening to music and this. Getting my headset on. And so if you're just talking, or better said, a girl's talking this out. You know. Was that a Hayden? Or Winter Ring? No, it's not working. These 90s are not working for the winter stuff, for the Winter Ring. There we are. There we are. So these rotten tires here. They're not working actually for that Winter Ring. I'm never using actually 120. These are actually for me the Formula 1 tires or something. These are actually the drift tires for me. But okay, when you say 120 are the drift tires, okay, then I believe you. These are the street tires, right? I'm using more than street tires. And normally I'm playing at night. And it's afternoon right now, and the screen is just a little shimmering in here with the sun. You see them, these douche here. Hey, what's up, Garbo Mac? How are you feeling today? Oh gosh, what happened to his hair? Ah, whatever. Next vehicle. I don't know. Always problems with that car. I hate the music, it's always loud. The main menu music is so loud all the time. I have to cry into the microphone because I don't can hear myself at the same time. Yay, Winter Ring if you just say so. Oh, finally. I hate that music. I just put on the music for you guys, that's all.
Lol.
Yeah, hell well. Hell well. Motor action! Guyver Mac, and down below actually Nitro the Bat. Smoking my cigars and cigarilles. Just auch kein paar Schwabi. Große der DJ spielen. God damn it, the music. Hold on a second, I need to change that on Spotify here. No, load up. Takes forever. If you got Spotify, here's the link.
Some CarX playlist to show up or listen. URL.
Totally forgot. Listen. The Germans. Oh, was ist denn jetzt so, damit die nicht aussteht? Los, hat er gesagt. Die fressen sich schon wieder selber die Ohren auf. Dann wollen wir alle schauen. Gulp, gulp, gulp. Cheers up. The most time nobody's watching. Talking to myself. Then I'm drinking very much. Now I'm talking so much that I'm not coming to drinking. The problem is I can't talk at the same time when I have my cigarette actually in my mouth. It's like this one. Arnold Schwarzenegger style, right? Forget about it. Alright, something else. What's the music? There we go. Oh gosh, why is this car so slow? Hold on a second, something is wrong in here. Uh-huh. I can't hear a car. There we go. Oh, that's better. Oh, what happened? No, that's the right way. Where are the people at? Now I'm confused. Holy crack. Oh my gosh, what happened? Oh, that's new. Oh my gosh, what? Huh? Whoa, what happened now? Why is it so bumpy? That's seriously new. I'm not joking. That was weird. Alright. Too much inflated guitars or something? I'm not sure. Normally by 198 or something. I don't trust that vehicle. Oh my gosh, no. Easy now. Full speed, no points anymore. Oh, it's a high velocity. Too many RPM somehow. It feels too many torque, better say. I'm sorry for that one. Sometimes I'm talking weird stuff. Oh, I hate these cars when they're making this all the time up. I hate that. Stupid ice session in here. Oh, before I forgot. Oh, okay. Need to ash away anyway. That was in the earliest, right? Before 3 years ago I started up this game, right? There was only 1 minute or 1.5 minutes actually.
But I got to go for a bit. Have a good one.
Yeah, that's okay. I just want to tell you that one. You know, there was only actually 1 or 2 minutes left on the track to deal done. Now we got 3 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes. I don't know, they should change it back, you know. So, yeah. It's very boring about these ice track. I'm sorry for that one. Have a nice time, dude. Thank you very much to watch a little while. How many o'clock do I have, actually? Oh, 8 o'clock in the morning time or something. Alright. Check you. I hope you have a great Friday. Well, I didn't.
Sir, tidy.
In the morning time. Construction, what's it calling then in English? To get plates into the wall, right, and to dry out actually the wall. And sometimes these plates are not working well getting into and stuff, and my knees are hurting, everything is hurting, right? So we're dealing down this since 2.5 days now. So it's Friday, and I'm still home, 15 o'clock and a half, so yeah. Greetings to America, and have a nice time. Bye-bye. Jude? Oh, why then Judy? If you say you're a dude, Judy.
Oh, that's all left.
But doesn't matter. Have a nice time, dude. Alright? Bye, Dean. Oh, that's all. Somebody tries actually breakfast, maybe? I'm not sure. 8 o'clock, or maybe you got 10 o'clock.
Yeah, I am using a family member's account, but that's all.
Somebody talking to me? Maybe the dog just was eating the breakfast already. Yeah. Man, the screen is shimmering. God damn it. Can't see nothing here. Huh? None? Yeah, I'm using a family member's account, that's all. Got locked out of my YouTube. Oh, got locked out of my YouTube. Oh! Okay, I thought actually you're a little bit older. Okay, no problem. Have a nice time, man. Ah, stupid. Oh, the sun comes in. It's typical plasma TV. Oh, Guyver Mac. Oh, becomes actually in 2 hours nighttime. And on the track, damn it. You know? Come home. There we go. 22 minutes long. Yeah, the ice session, it takes a little time. Måste get shown to how to kill korab. Ja, det var det nochmal. Okay, that took very long, these ice track. I hate that so much. So what's it like? He's tried to subscribe, but he is actually a youngster, and his dad or mother actually forbid him to go to YouTube. I don't know. Hope he's okay. Hell no. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Yeah, that's music, dude. Pump her up. I was already pumped up. God damn it. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Woo! Like that's actually an ecstasy or crack. Woo! Go nuts. I tested a lot of the vehicle already. That vehicle. Yourself, your vehicle. Come on, boss. Third beer today. The third beer? Hold on, let me count. Not number 4. Look, I have a what we have in here? What we have in here, huh? 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 Oh, no, I can't actually. I'm not a magical guy. Man. Oh, it's a tongue breaker. Magistical? Man, so I'm sorry, I'm German. It's the same when Americans actually trying out the they don't can speak it out right. And some things I don't can speak out as well. Man, the music is so loud and annoying. Done now by talking. Pull my finger, please. Getting it. Oh, crack. Cheers up. Second last drip actually from the tequila. Gabarnas. Holy moly, what's wrong with the vehicle? When my cigarette went off. Nice, I'm getting a little salty. Uni. Oh my, I hate this car. It has problems. Seriously problems. Oh my gosh. Thought I can't bring it back. No, I couldn't. Some cars I really hate. Next beer, I'm frustrated. Cheers up, Campana, Schwab, ist du Gold, plus in diesem Stream. Especially because it's nighttime in the game and the sun is so much going into the plasma TV, and I'm sitting actually sideways to the TV, like always actually, since a couple of years. And always is shimmering in here. Hold on a second, this makes a little problem here. Is it better? Oh, now the sun comes out extremely. Good idea, hold on. Not looking good. I need to deal done with this. Oh gosh, this is bullshit, mate. Okay, then we're playing only actually daylight drifts until actually 18 o'clock, so 3 hours then. Sorry for that one. Maybe just the music's too loud in my ears. I maybe not. I am not sure, dude. Wo ist eigentlich der Bilderrahmen hingekommen? Weißt du, der ist auch beim Bauer? Dang, ich glaub schon, ja. So ein Scheiß. So ein Rotz. Later. Later, alligator. Hold on. How old he is? 47? Got a problem? What was he talking about? Got locked out on my YouTube. Ah, here we go. Locked out. Now I got you. But he was saying, well, I'm using family member's account. That's all. But he was saying he was 47. He was 47, right? Yeah, 47. Normally 47 and get locked out of YouTube. Yeah, well, the same on me. The rules and stuff. The rules and stuff. I know that. I'm fighting actually the last year about that one. Hold on, this year, right? Yeah, that year. 18 first. Actually, this year I just got kicked out of DefRekka account on YouTube. R.I.P. God damn it. Since 2011 I was getting in YouTube, and just one day, the next day actually came on, and I saw actually I'm erased. Completely deleted. Dead. Try to get me some friendship or something, this crack? Nope. Not yet. Alright, continue. Somebody mouse. Loud beast! Now it makes more sense. That's it. This is, yeah, here we go. It's just the main menu and pisses me off. It's just so loud. I need to check out the car. May I just change something on it? I say yes before, right? Not no. Yeah. I just change something. Alter, meine Füße riechen nicht nach Schweiß, die riechen immer noch nach einem Bier, Alter. Also ich hab keine Schweißfüße rein theoretisch. Geil. Das ist jetzt auch schon 3 Stunden her. Geil. What's wrong with that stuff in here? Why was my car so bumping up? Has a 65, right? They should call it actually tuned done with a 9 in here. 88. Thought I already did that. 22, 23. Oh, I don't know. The Pascal actually saying the right stuff. Why is it twisted so fast? I'm not sure. Why do you have done with that crack? 4,663 millimeters. That's actually low. Why is it so fast then? Why is it turning so good? 909 horses. Okay, that's why maybe. I'm not sure. That's 66. Oh. That's fast. 0.8. Everything's fine ass actually in here. Bye. not sure. Shall we do? Shall we not do? Point. Nope. A bit old school, so I don't want. Let's do another one. They lied. That was a messed up one. Kann man da. Ich glaube, ich muss scheißen gehen oder so. I already say that. It's kind of these directly all I have. Stupid Pisces. It's kind of this, you know, you say directly, I need to go to a shit house now. Yeah. Well, later on then. When I'm running out actually of these tequila. He said he's a dude, right? Why his name is Judy? Or Judai? Judy? Or is it called Jude or Judai? Or Judy? I'm confused. I mean, Dean is okay. The after-name is Judy. Oh, don't let me know that's the girl's account or something on YouTube. His wife or something. Then it makes sense, but I don't know. Actually, male name Judy? I'm confused. Oh well. What the hell was they thinking about, these parents? To give him actually a name like Judy. Where's the G for judge? Okay, but Judy? No. I'm just cringing actually, but I can't cringe and telling you I'm cringe. That's why I'm laughing then a little bit, like, ha ha ha. But that's actually my cringing. How you want to actually pronounce out, or just actually speaking out that you cringing? You say you cringing, but actually you don't want to tell about that. So you just that is actually my cringing. Sorry for that one. You can't laugh cringing, right? You can't. You know what I mean. Das kann man ja nicht irgendwie reden. Oder, also ich meine, man kann es reden, aber man kann sich auslachen. Also ich meine, das Lachen kann man nicht, wenn man cringen will, also praktisch so ein Smile ein bisschen, so smilen, das geht ja nicht, man kann es nicht aussprechen oder in dem Sinne auslachen, also man kann das nicht lachen oder so. Geht ja nicht, es hat cringen, deswegen heißt er so. Ja. Total bescheuert, ich weiß schon, was ist das für ein Thema jetzt? Totally deep shit or something, that's crack. Cheers up. Mosers Liesel. Das S, das schaut aber aus wie ein R, ne? Also Moser Liesel. Moser, ne? Nicht Moses. Moser, normales, warte mal. Moser Liesel, ja genau. Ja, komm, da schau her. Selbst das Altdeutsche kann ich. So, I'm going to the toilet and having a little business to deal done. Yeah, I'm just checking the water in the toilet. What? I'm going to shit. I am having something to business dealing done in here. I think it's nasty and stinks a lot. It's kind of that donkey or something under the tree. But actually the donkey is just sleeping and stinking just because he's sitting in his own shit and the flies is just surrounding him all the times over his head. Yeah, this is actually, I think, the Family Guy stuff. Oh my god, there are bombs! Bombs away! It's eating for 2 days, actually a pizza. I was telling myself, alright, the pizza is done. Or is it? Then I watched in. Ah, it's half through. So I was saying, alright, let it just burn in there. Because I have a broken oven, that's the problem. These ovens are just working, it's a top loader or something, or how we can talk about that one. The oven's actually working only in the upper, no, in the man, my English. In the higher position, it's just working. Down below, it is actually dead. Since I think last year or something, it's just died. So, well, let the pizza in there and in there. I totally forgot the pizza then. It was a little bit, you know, not black, through, rusty or something. The piece, it was actually perfect. And well, so I did actually salad on it, some pickles, some cucumber, some paprika, then some jerks and all these stuff, you know, and some egg. And it was tasty. But sometimes you go to the toilet and think, what the hell is going on down below? In the water. Oh my gosh. I'm actually no vegetable due to something, but I like actually eating a lot of salad. I like it. So for 2 days I just was decided actually, yes, make a pizza. Turkey pizza, I think it was. Yeah, it was, of course. A little sharp. With the special sausage. Can't even speak this out. Already done. Don't forget to clean the hands.
Yes, grandmother, I do. There's no soap, grandmother. I'm not washing my hands anymore. You need to do this.
I love that. Oh, it's just remembering stuff. NPAC. NPAC. Okay. Enhanced package. Why is it then .de for Germany? Oh, I forgot the P, goddammit. Oh, psh. Getting old or something, this crack. 37. Oh. Sonny, itch the sun. Yawn. Yawn. I know exactly. If I'm not peeing right now, in 10 minutes I need to go to the toilet again. So, let's go. If somebody's watching, I'm sorry. I'm talking all the time to the microphone because I don't know if somebody in here is watching someone. All the times are people just watching, and if I'm not talking or something, they're staying or not staying, and if I'm not talking, you know, Dean Judy came in. I hope his name is Dean. For sure name or something, it doesn't matter, but when his name is Judy, and he tells me actually he's a dude, now I'm confused, right? It's like, my name is Maria, but I'm a dude, right? So that's why I'm confused. Sorry for that one. We will talk later, sir. Or ma'am. What the hell? I forgot that tequila. I'll be right back. Well, still I'm actually on the microphone. Oh gosh. What the I try to trash cans. Trying to throw it in. It blobs out. And even the trash can is empty. Don't understand me wrong, but yesterday I was talking actually to my sidekick, better say, on the construction side. Everything I just touched, I just tried actually to get on my hands, it's just gone. Because my fingers actually having no profile anymore. Slippy as crack. Alright, finally I'm here. So the last drip of tequila. Just up campana short is a loose called the edition extreme. Tadaimasu, by the way, for the Japanese. I think that bottle was empty. Holy crack. I like drinking beer. I like drinking tequila or rum and cola. Sorry for that one. But it's only actually in racing games to drinking tequila and rum and cola. I mean, beer actually a constructed side still drinking as well. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. not fall. If you're not thinking of something, you're already brain dead. If you're brain dead, that's you're in a coffin already. Yay! Consolation for your thinking. Just kidding here. I hate this blockade. I know that news is, I think for 3 months or something they're making an update in here for that game. The Russian guys. Greetings to hell! Yeah. Oh, a 43 made. Oh, hell no. That's nice. R.I.P. Camlog.
Yeah, Mr. Officer.
What's wrong with Mr. Officer? You know, these stuff. Oh, there's new, I think the final of the laughing. LOL, lost one then, laughing. Season 5 here in Germany. I think that's the last one then. The last episodes are coming out. They just was filming that actually last year. Definitely, yeah. Cool. I know what I have to do at the, you know, at this weekend to watch on Amazon or on YouTube. There's actually these kind of new kids on block I just want to watch. I just want to watch actually the LOL, not laughing stuff, and there's Panic Mechanic 1997. I just want to watch. I just watched actually the first 14 seconds, minutes or something. Not seconds, minutes, and so I will continue, and that has a 720p. So woohoo! Woohoo. Yep. Oh no, you can call actually Stanislav. Alright. Hold on, need to call someone. The cell phone in here. Hold on a second. What to do about, you know? Könnte ich mir einen Solar holen, Alter? Oh yeah, sell it actually. That's cool. Let's go shopping actually with my construction with the brand. Wo ist er denn überhaupt, der Stani? Dann ist noch Kubicki. Ja, das ist er. Here we go. Wie sieht doch aus, so ihr Gesprächspartner ist zurzeit nicht erreichbar. Was, sie stirbt gleich. Ja, der ruft ja an. Ihr Gesprächspartner ist zurzeit nicht erreichbar. Please make a message after the beep tone. Like, she was like, oh my god. Alright. Next vehicle, please. Normally a bulb should come up, but it's disgusting to make a, you know, bulb with tequila. Sharp. controller says, yes sir. On my way. Seems to be. Is he calling back? We will know later. 34? Oh man, what happened here? Daylight, nighttime. Nighttime. Sun is gone a bit. Sort of just waiting for a call. I'm waiting for a package sometimes. I'm waiting for a call. God thanks I have the earplugs in. The move of the sides, that's why it's so weird. When I'm drifting, that's why I say so. So kind of need to be advised. In the comment, driving the live streamer and drifting. Some questions? We have plenty of time left after drinking. Did I just type that in? I think so, sir. Got some problems with something MacGyver Mag. Why am I saying always MacGyver? It's Guyver Mag. Dull boy. Oh my gosh. You need a dentist now? Why are you sacking so much in here? Hold on.
Rape.
Dull boy. Oh, not again. Oh, I think the 20s cap of the tequila already lands in the corner. You're blocking something very important, sir. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Ah! I'm not your, you know what I mean, ho? To spread the legs.
Sorry.
What are you doing?
It's the same with the camera. It's a bullshit.
Cuckoo.
Oh, come on. This is so crack, right? What do you want to do? 4 or 43? This is so bullshit. Dude, you're sitting wrong. Okay, this direction sucks. It's just actually this. Uh-huh. That's crack, mate.
What the hell are you talking about?
Oh, here we go. That should. Yeah. It's like the same with the chair here. I think that the fat is on this crack. Cheers up, companions, Robbie, Salute, Salute, Gold, Rosten, die Schneck spielen. Du, der Hundling, du. Perfect song. He's a fire starter, right? Oh, got a new cape, MacGyver Mag. Now I'm saying it again, that Nitro the Bad. Mr. Dull Boy. Cheers up. I'm not so funny today, since actually yesterday I'm feeling really a little bit down to earth and sleepy. My bones are hurting because actually you have to press onto the wall, the plates, right, to get it into it actually between the bricks. And it takes forever. Even with a little cheating system. I'm sorry for that one, so that's why I'm a little bit It's not the alcohol, no. It's not the alcohol. It's that. It's just the work. Bones hurting. Actually, at the body system, the stomach or something, nothing hurts. But down below, onto the toes a bit hurting, yeah, but everything hurts. Welcome to the construction site. I signed in for close to 20 years now. I signed in. Get the tequila bottle away from there. Cool one. Come on, Mars. police. A 46 and a 420. Oh, what kind of a sign is that by 499 as well? I'm just a cigarette smoker, not on dealing data for 420 still. Yeah, right. What's that green dust, goddammit? Now we're talking about the 420, right? And then the green dust. I'm sorry. 2011, I just actually smoked 7 times actually, and I was talking a lot. Mary J is not my, you know, my fire starter. Not really. That's why I keep my fingers away from this stuff. I hate with one finger actually doing this stuff. Where the fuck you are? Let's just wait. See what's going on then. Okay, running down below here. On the PlayStation 5 maybe you already can see the car, but not on the PlayStation 4 Pro. Nice music. Sweet, not sweat. I like that drone camera. That's amazing. Lol. Has GPS on the car, right? Look at GPS, hold on. What the hell? That's the GPS and it says we in the Nova. There's a track actually, but it is wrong. Chinese market car or something, you know, not Japanese, of course. How he's looking like, is there something to eat in here? McDonald's or something? Did I just actually screw my tires right on, or I just lost a screw already? Did I just check the oven at home? I don't care. I give a fuck. But he's too much looking left and right. That is so fantastic funny. The biggest point is like it seems to be actually he's not looking actually that kind of what's that calling it? Visier in Germany. We call it visier. These are kind of these plastic around versus CarX technologies. I just write it on. I feel like he's actually Robocop or something, right? It's weird. He's not watching freely. That's why he's maybe watching left and right very hardcorely. You know, like 210 or something in the angle. I don't know. He's but it's funny. It's okay. It's awesome. Nothing changed. What's that? Must be the demon from my household in here. Man, all the times that the replays, a good music is coming up. In the main menu, there's the boring one. They should change so much things in here and have so many ideas. I'm a Pisces, you know. I know what I'm dealing done with. When Einstein got actually birthday, just for a question, my IQ is 136. Hold on. Einstein, Zweistein. Albert. Let's see. Oh my god, his face. He is... Oh my god, he's a Pisces as well. He came from Germany? Of course, I know. Okay. Died at 18 April. 14 March, man. 4 days before I... Oh my gosh. Awesome, he's a Pisces. He was a Pisces as well. That's cool. That's connecting. Yay! 1879 oder 1879. Einstein was Pisces as well. Amazing. Yeah, actually I'm a Capricorn, but I was getting early out of my mother's stomach, you know, stomach, I mean, you know what I mean, womb. So, normally I'm a Capricorn, but I'm born actually in 18 March. I am. You were saying I'm in a hurry, I was in a hurry. Something like that. Diva. Yay, the skyline. Would you have done something with this vehicle? Roster sourced. Hold on. What's that? 3.5, 6.1. Okay. Where was the worst? Let's just see. What's the beginner stuff? 8. I can't read it. Guyver Mac, come on, dude. Your plushy hair there. 18, 24, 27. Holy shit, that's a lot of difference. Oh, that is what the fuck. Downhill, uphill. Oh wow, that's amazing. What? A 47? Let's do the first 50k today. I'm on. Getting done with it. Actually, totally dislike. I think it's my voice and how I'm speaking out English. Sorry for that one. Well, really, sometimes I wish I'm an American or Canadian, doesn't matter for myself. For the Americans, say Canadian? Are you what the fuck? You're from France or something? What's going on out there? Hold on. Somebody knocking here? Something's cracked? Wait. Let's try to call actually my co-worker, or what's it calling then? He's just helping out in the construction work, goddammit. Ja, wo ist er denn schon wieder? Oh, der steht schon drin, gell? Das ist komisch. Let's just see. Is he there or not? Oh my gosh, he's not there. Oh, what's wrong with him? Sind noch andere Kontakte da drin? They get actually deleted in here, this stuff. I can hear my console all the time, it's like, me. I hear a lot of stuff actually. I got the earplugs in, I got the headset on. This is so, what the fuck? I think that's myself. Is that my grandmother? My mother. And that's it. So many contacts in here. Stupid Google Drive. Just deleting and at the same time adding some numbers. That's so fucked up. That's my main account, right? Check it out, profile, what's going on actually on the Spotify list. Dev Nations CarX. Here we go. But it don't say it's the playlist. That's weird. Funk. No, you have to go out and actualize yourself for that stuff. Don't want to say actually Dev Nations play this. Why? Hold on. Maybe that's why. Too done with the send crack. Hold on a second. And sometimes actually the PlayStation Network, you know, the internet's just a little bit going crazy. Please wait. I am waiting. Overview? Nope. It don't say it's actually your playlist. Just say Bojack's theme. I don't know what's going on. Jo, der kennt schon die Nummer. I can't check it out, dude. Five people's actually live streaming here, trending. Recruiting with new cars. Wow, what kind of a car is that? Hell R6. Playing CarX. What the hell? I'm the second one in here? Third one. Playing CarX Drift Racing Online. Just of course a test. CarX Drift Racing Online. Car Drift Racing Online 2.21 update? What kind of an update, sir? There's no update for this game the last weeks. Don't treasure around. That was not updating. Maybe he's just playing the game again and then he was seeing after 2 months, oh, there's an update. I'll be right back. Need to go to pee. Be right back. DjVolgin. Riecht ein bisschen nach Schuh hier. Ja, ich wollte unbedingt. Das Problem ist einfach nur mit den Pollen, richtig? Die Pollen kommen über das ganze Fenster rein und verteilen sich und du hast einen ganzen grünen Boden dann. Und wenn man die Schuhe dann halt auch noch trocken legt, sage ich jetzt mal in dem Sinne, dann stinkt halt der Raum ein bisschen nach, naja, Schuhsohle und Schweiß. Naja, ist halt so. Just I don't want to open actually the windows, right? Because actually these kind of poles are coming in from the tree, the semen from the tree, and all the things are getting green or yellow. Kind of these sort of the trees, of course. And I closed it, and I just have actually a shoe dryer, and the shoe dryer actually works perfectly in it. Then the whole room is smelling a bit. That's my actually living room, right? It calls. So yeah, well. I'm drinking hard, I'm working hard. Guess what? It smells hard. Smells soft. What the heck is that then? When it smells soft, can you explain? Then you just was making pee-pee and you didn't flush it down. I think it smells soft. I'm not sure. Oh my gosh. So Albert Einstein was actually a Pisces as well, like myself. Oh my gosh. And he was all the times capturing around and away from his wife. So that's why I don't have when to go to say I have no girlfriend anyway. I grew up, you know, complicated. Maybe acting complicated as well. But I'm a finance guy, definitely. I don't want to steal horses or something with a girl. No, I grew up at the farmhood as well. Makes no sense. Do not touching a running horse. Ha 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 ha. Flat jokes. Just kidding. Do not touching a running horse. Oh my gosh. Normally it's just standing like this. Do not touch a standing horse because it bits you, right? Yeah, that's the point. Normally, yeah, it is. Oh, come on, Guyver. You got these herb plushie here. Yeah, you're male, dude. Oh, that's better. It's just your leg, right? Or is it the camera? I'm unsure what's going on in here. Uh-huh, alright. Got actually these shoot from I can, you know, DC on. I can't show you up this one right in here. Watching the camera be gently. There we go. There we go. From the fire toy again. The gas left us. Definitely. Next one. The gas has just left the building. Ha 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 ha. Consolation. Tschüss, abgepasst. Robbie sowieso, das kann ich aus dem Lied spielen. Ah. It's not even cold anymore, that's why it's just like, ah. I actually like that. Salut. Salute. Hast du wegen deiner Sonnenbrille, hast du wegen hoch, daher. That's correct. He looks drunk. Oh my gosh. I like that. Ja, was ist? Wahrscheinlich so, oder? Schauen wir mal, wo da hingeht. Ja, da geht er schon hin, der Hundling. Ja. Ich hab die vorher angerufen zweimal. Aber dein Telefon, ich weiß nicht, dieselbe Nummer, weißt du? Dieselbe Nummer, was ich vorher gestern angerufen habe. Das war vor 2 Minuten oder so, vor 14 Minuten war das. Das war schon ich, gell? Also diese mit 01, was habe ich? 0179, das war ich. Bist du zu Hause? Wer hat Stunden geschrieben heute? Hat geschrieben oder nicht? War noch im Hof? Ich glaube 14 oder 15 Uhr war, glaube ich, Georg, ist einer reingefahren, aber ich weiß nicht, ob Georg war, weißt schon. Ich war schon um 12:30 Uhr war ich schon zu Hause. War Georg noch da und hat Stunden geschrieben oder war keiner da? Ja, wenn du's, ja. Ja, vielleicht Richard sagen, weißt du, Richard Georg anrufen und sagen, wir arbeiten und so. Oder Montag einfach. Schreibst du auf Zettel vielleicht am Morgen auf. Schreibst du, dann vergisst du es nicht. Mit Werner, Richard oder Michi. Kommt Michi morgen auch? Also zu dritt oder wie? Werner, du und Richard oder wie? Ach Schmarrn, Markus morgen. Hey. Aber warum? Was macht ihr morgen? Vorbereitung für Montag betonieren, oder? Habt ihr heute betoniert? Montag betonieren. Zweite Teil oder letzte Teil? Ist, ja, ist letzte Teil, oder? Habt ihr Stern reingemacht? Kennst du diese Stern? Also Bruchstelle, Sollstelle. Diese Bruchstelle, weißt du, wenn du zweimal betonierst, musst du ja was dazwischen reinmachen. Diese Band oder Stern. Ja. Hey. Aber Probleme, oder? Markus und Michi Probleme, oder? Ich habe schon gehört, weil es geht wegen Michi. Michi hat gesagt, da möchte ich Urlaub haben. Ich bin 50% kaputt, weißt du? Und oh mei. Warum nichts mit Georg sagen um Ecke, weißt du? Gehst du um Ecke und sagst du Georg. Aber warum muss dann immer sagen zu Werner, zu Markus, dass alle hören, weißt du? Warum so? Warum kann Michi, ihr kennt doch Markus, ihr kennt Markus, warum nichts gehen nach oben oder so und vielleicht bei Auto hocken oder so und dann reden? Warum? Mei, mei, mei. Ja, Markus ist bloß explodiert, das hat mir Julian gesagt, weil Julian und Georg immer reden zu Hause, weißt du? Und Julian hat mir heute gesagt, wie es vorgefallen ist. Und wenn Markus sowas hört, da hab ich Urlaub, da mache ich Urlaub und da möchte ich dann daheim sein, jetzt habe ich 50%, jetzt darf ich doppelt so viel Urlaub machen, bla 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 bla. Haben wir gedacht, oh mein Gott, das ist kein Wunder, dass Markus dann aufgeht, weißt du, Markus dann sehr sauer und das verstehe ich, das ist total verständlich. Also, naja. Also Montag betonieren, aber immer noch Schalung sauber machen morgen, okay? Wann glaubst du, dass du morgen da bist im Hof? 10 Uhr, 11 Uhr? Oha, okay. Habt ihr mehr Stunden als wir? Wir haben 38,5 Stunden nur. Das ist das Problem, weil Mauer trockenlegen hier, dann wieder andere Baustelle. Das ist wie Markus, weißt du, Markus auch immer schimpfen. 5 Tage arbeiten, aber vielleicht 30 Stunden zusammenbekommen. Das ist mit Julian genauso diese Woche. Aber wir haben sehr viel gearbeitet. Also mir tun die Knie weh, weil wegen Mauertrockenlegung, weißt du, seit 3 Tagen. Habe ich Blutergüsse hier und da. Okay, Stani, eine Frage. Fährst du morgen einkaufen? Zu Lidl Aldi? Bei Aldi, warte mal, Lidl kommt zuerst, oder? Und dann Aldi. Bei Aldi gibt es Poststation. Diese komische, riesengroße Truhe, wo du deine Code hinhältst und bekommst ein Paket. Wenn du morgen einkaufen gehst bei Lidl Aldi, du musst mich nur anrufen, wann du zu Hause bist, oder besser gesagt, wenn du im Hof bist und möchtest du noch einkaufen, könnte ich da mitfahren. Ja. Rufst du mich nur an? Du kaufst doch bei Lidl Aldi, kaufst du ein, oder? Ja. Wenn du einkaufst oder was morgen, dann sagst du mir. Dann komme ich ins Lager rüber, dann fahren wir halt gemeinsam. Vielleicht kaufe ich mir auch was bei Aldi, weil bei Aldi gibt es immer Salate, weißt du. Dann nehme ich das auch noch mit. Na, wäre super. Wenn du mich anrufst morgen, 12:30, 1, 12, keine Ahnung, wann ihr Schluss macht, komme ich rüber, bisschen rede mit Werner, bisschen eine trinken und dann fahren wir zu. Das wäre schön. Das war Dank. Ja. Na gut, Stani, was machst du heute noch? Was machst du heute noch? Television? Ja. Hinten draußen, oder wie? Rasenmähen? Ja. Ja. Aber, Stani, mach dich nicht verrückt, gell? Ich hoffe, dass morgen Markus zu dir auch sagt, mach dich nicht kaputt. Weil wenn dieser Mann auch kommen möchte am 2. Mai oder was, vielleicht, ich habe Hans heute leider nicht gesehen, aber wenn ich Hans sehe, vielleicht morgen sehen wir Hans, dann rede ich nochmal, weil vielleicht dieser Mann erstmal bei Hans einziehen, weißt du, weil es Blödsinn. Was soll diese Scheiße? Warum bei dir einziehen? Das ist Quatsch. Das ist No-Go. So einfach geht das nicht. Ja. Aber Stani, weißt du, dieser Mann, ich kenne diesen Mann nicht, spricht sehr schlecht Deutsch. Und wenn dieser Mann sehr schlecht Deutsch spricht, dann vielleicht in 2 Wochen schon wieder fort, dieser Mann, weißt du, weil nichts taugt. Weißt du, ich meine, vielleicht nichts taugt. Und kann bei ihm kann leben oder kann bei Hans oben leben, wo du hättest einziehen sollen, warst schon bei Hans oben. Nein, nein. Was? Na, na. Das ist, ich frage Hans, wenn ich morgen Hans sehe, heute habe ich ihn nicht gesehen. Aber wenn ich Hans wieder sehe morgen, zum Beispiel, wenn ich warte auf euch, dann gehe ich um 12 Uhr schon rüber, sowas. Du musst früh anrufen. Wenn du sagst, du weißt, du kommst um 12 Uhr nach Hause, dann bin ich um 11 Uhr schon im Lager drin. Und wenn ich Hans sehe, dann rede ich mit ihm. Und dann soll zuerst diese... Stani, das ist... Ja, Stani, aber das ist ein Werner Markus. Ja, ich weiß schon, ja. Na, Stani, wenn du bei mir einziehen würdest, kein Problem. Ich habe kein Problem. Aber nicht bei Mann, wo ich nicht kenne, diese Mensch. Genau, genau. Ja, natürlich, ja. Ach, das ist Mist, freilich. Ja. Mhm. Na, Stani, ich bin auf deiner Seite. Ja, ja, freilich. Ja, toll. Küche brauchen, Bad brauchen, weißt du? Was soll der Scheiß? Das ist nicht gut. Ich weiß, Stani. Ja. Ich glaube, er hat auch keine Heizung, oder? Oben ist, glaube ich, keine. Ja. Bullshit. Na, natürlich. Fernsehschauen, Don. Vergiss nicht Fernsehschauen. Ja, ja. Ja. Na, ich verstehe dich schon. Aber Stani, mach dich nicht wild. Mach dich nicht wild. Ich werd jetzt fragen, weißt du, Hans morgen, du musst mich nur früh genug anrufen. Wenn du sagst, um 12 Uhr fahrst du nach Hause, dann sagst du 11 Uhr. Hm? Na, Stani. Wenn du morgen mich anrufst, könntest du eine Stunde zuvor anrufen. Wenn du sagst, Markus sagt schon, eine Stunde haben wir noch, rufst du Christoph an. Und dann komme ich schon ins Lager rüber und dann hocken da und eine Bier trinken, vielleicht Hans sehen. Und dann rede ich mit Hans. Aber ich rufe Hans morgen an. Nein, weil es ist so, Schmarrn, magst du nimmer. Stani, ich möchte mit Chef reden, dass dieser Mann bei Chef einzieht. Verstehst du mich? Bei Sophina, sag schon, bei Lea, da oben einzieht. Sophie, ja. Dass da oben einzieht, weißt du, wie ich meine? Weißt du, das war damals 3 Monate, war Fatmir bei ihm auch noch drüben, hat da drüben geschlafen. Bis gefunden hat Wohnung. Wenn, dann muss halt zu Ima gehen. Ima hat zugeschafft, dieser Mann. Mach dir keinen Kopf. Dieser Mann, ich möchte nicht, dass es zu dir kommt, okay? Ich möchte das nicht. Deswegen reden. Aber weißt du, Werner, Julian, Markus, egal wer, oder möchte nicht, dass du gehst, weißt du, dieses Jahr. Wir brauchen dich. Dieses Jahr brauchen wir dich noch für diese Buden. Ich weiß. Und jeder möchte das auch gern. Ja, Na, ich verstehe schon. Ja. Stani, magst du zu mir? Magst du zu mir? Na, ich hab Platz im Wohnzimmer. Ich brauch was ausräumen. Hast du dein eigenes... Ja. Na, ich weiß schon. Ja, ich weiß schon. Ja. Ja, genau. Ja. Luxus. Ja. Ja. Genau. Ist so. Hat denn diese aus... Genau. Aus Mazedonien, diese eine Mann, diese Daniel war da. Weißt du, und diese auch immer gehen und kommen. Diese Leute. Destiny war schlimmste Fall. Aber Destiny ist geblieben. Weißt du. Hat zweimal versucht und naja, ist auch nichts geworden. Na. Weißt du, dieser Mann kommt aus Albanien, hat Familie. Und diese Familie, Frau und Kinder kommen dann auch noch nach Deutschland. Weißt du, was soll der Scheiß? Ich muss erst mal schauen, ob dieser Mann arbeiten kann. Das ist das Problem. Weil dieser Mann kommt mit mir mit. Mit Christian, mit Christopher und mit Julian kommt dieser Mann mit. Müssen wir selber, wie Stefan und Simon damals, hat immer mitbekommen, Lehrling, weißt du? Oder immer bei, ja. Und so ist es bei uns jetzt. Julian und Christopher kriegen diesen Mann jetzt mit. Müssen erst schauen, ob dieser arbeiten kann, ob er überhaupt will. Das wissen wir doch nicht. Keine Ahnung. Ach, geh, hör mal auf. Ja, das ist Quatsch, weißt ich, das möchte ich nicht. Ja. Hast du Frau noch? Hast du, hast du noch? Noch, noch nicht verkauft? Schmarrn. Das wird Jolo hören dat. Geil. War Scherz. Ja. Natürlich. Ja. Natürlich. Ja, du, ich lebe immer schon alleine. Okay, bei Oma habe ich mal gelebt und hier, aber mei, es ist schön. Mei. Na, Stani, also tu dich nicht ab, gell? Aber wenn Markus sagt, morgen 11 Uhr, ja, um 12 Uhr sind wir fertig, dann kannst du mich anrufen. Ja, alles gut, gell? Das kriegen wir schön. Also wenn du einkaufen gehst morgen, all die Titel, machst du das morgen? Ja, ja, mach ich. Weil ich möchte auch, können wir gern Salat, ich möchte gern Salat auch einkaufen, das ist kein Thema nicht. Ich bin auch dabei. Ja. Mhm. Kein Thema. Na gut, Stani. Na ja dann. Ein schöner Nachmittag oder besser gesagt Abend. Fällt schon auseinander, oder? Ikea oder was? Oder billig? Hast. Ah, Stani, geht das? Ah, Schmarrn. Na, vielleicht morgen sehen. Aber weißt du, diese Folie, Georg hat auch schmunzeln müssen, weil musst du auf Seite tun, weißt du? Und das geht nicht bei dieser Folie. Kannst du nicht auf Seite schieben, weißt du? Okay. Provisorisch. Das ist provisorisch. Hä? Warum nur das? Hast du was gemacht oder Hahn umgedreht oder? Hä? Warum nur das? Leitung, Leitung. Ach so. Mhm. Ja. Okay. Na, das kannst du mir morgen zeigen. Einkauf abliefern bei dir und dann fährst du zu mir und dann kannst du wieder nach Hause fahren. Das kriegen wir schon hin. Stani, es dauert nicht lang. Du gehst eh einkaufen, das ist schön. Da kaufe ich mir auch Salat dann ein. Ich spendiere da schon was. Okay. Jo. Ein schöner Abend, schöner Nachmittag, Stani, gell? Habidere, vierte. Ich habe bis heute noch nicht gelernt, wie es heißt. Es Dosa wahrscheinlich Jutra, aber das heißt ja dann, du darfst es sagen. Ja, sag mal. Zurzeit ist niemand erreichbar. Bitte versuchen Sie es später. Alter, ist das so zu oder was? Oh Jesus. Das ist die normale Zeit, wo man Leute anruft, weißt? Ist das böse gemeint oder so, aber. Ey, oder ich klick auf das Live. Kurze Fix jetzt. Schau mal her, ich klick auf das Live oder auf die Minuten. Ist es dann die Minuten, was ich klick? Gehen wir zurück. Jetzt so. Manchmal funktioniert es einfach nicht. Sonst wird's zwar, gell? Ich muss scheißen, aber ich kann nicht scheißen gehen, Alter. Das regt mich so auf. Du hockst auf dem Klo, Alter, und es geht einfach nicht. Was ist jetzt los? Pumpert und schäbert und nichts geht. Darmverschluss. Alles schon hier. Alles kaputt. Oh, jetzt ruft er. Ah, das war so klar, Alter. Ja. Weißt du, gerade beim Abdrücken habe ich mir gedacht, jetzt ruft er gleich an, oder? Und jetzt geht aber trotzdem nichts. Darmverschluss oder so, ist ja wurscht. Du kannst mir gefallen da morgen. Es sagt es beim Arbeiten, habe ich gehört. Es Matzen. Der Stani geht ja morgen einkaufen und ich habe 2 Backi habe ich im Postkasten hinten drin, war schon beim Aldi. Und ich habe gesagt, Stani, wenn du magst, darf ich mitfahren? Und der Stani so, ja. Aber kannst du ihn bitte morgen nochmal erinnern, eine Stunde bevor du das Feierabend macht, so hocke ich mir ins Lager rein. Dann sehen wir uns sowieso nochmal. Ja. Du jetzt auch schon. Jetzt habe ich einen Stani das schon gesagt. Jetzt habe ich die angegriffen, damit du mir das... Jesus! Ruft's einfach um 11 Uhr oder was und sagt, wir fahren jetzt noch gleich heim, dann langt mir das schon. Mein Gott! Du jetzt auch schon. Was ist denn da los? Okay, alles gut. Schönen Abend noch, gell? Avidere. Fertig. Mein Gott! Also, ich muss ja mal auch noch mal anrufen in der Früh. Was ist los? Jetzt geht's aber los hier. Also ich muss ja morgen um 8, 9 nochmal anrufen, dass er weiß, dass bevor... Okay, jetzt. Er sagt Mittag um, okay. Was ist denn da los, Alter? Ich meine, beim Stani habe ich nichts gesagt, aber bei ihm, wo ich mir gedacht habe, kannst mich du dann oder kannst er wenigstens erinnern, dass er mich anruft? Also egal. Oh mein Gott. Ja, der hat auch nie Zeit, ne? Der vergisst auch die Zeiten alle, weil der scheißt wahrscheinlich die ganze Zeit vom Himmel rum. Egal. So, was? Jetzt muss ich noch biedeln gehen. Dann haben wir's. Noch die 4 Stunden safe. What the hell? I just called actually a construction worker friend and I told him, can you just remember actually the other construction worker that he's calling me an hour before they are making a cut from the construction site area, that he remembers me to go to the compound, right? He was saying right now, I need to remember him to remember the other construction worker, they working together on the same place, that we have to call actually myself before we going actually off that area from the construction. Oh, come on. There's more than 20 years actually between them. What the fuck? That's funny. I like that stuff. Because my movie in my brain is always running, right? They have maybe 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock tomorrow. And there was something we have to deal done. And I have to tell you to call somebody else. So they try to call me then. I don't know who we have to call about. And then standing to each other and just, who was it? Having cell phones out there. I don't know. Somebody called me yesterday and stuff. They're already forgetting me or something? Oh my God. They're not nearby. There's something like, I think 50 miles away from me, right? God. That's fun. Okay. I have to be a step forwardly, so I called him at 10 o'clock then. And asking, you already forget, wouldn't try to say, or doing actually with your cell phone in your hand already, maybe. Alright, it's gonna be fun. Oh shit. Because I know he's actually a little, you know, to the 60s or something, and I don't want to, you know, and so, front of the 70s. And I tried actually somebody else to talk about, can you remember that guy again? That we have actually a little meeting. And he talked about me. He can't remember. Please, you know, talk to me tomorrow with the cell phone. So this is stupid. What happened? You have to only remember in the same area him to call me. Oh well. I like that. I like that. This is like, yeah, we getting older. Alright. Just want to appear in a construction compound, drinking a beer and waiting for the guys, and that's all. Well, I don't know where I have and when, what kind of a time I have to appear, right? That's the problem. And I tried to speak with them. So let's see what's coming together tomorrow. Alright. Yeah, dull face. I need a little tequila. How you feeling, Gavin Mac? Nitro the bat down below. Oh no, my cap is gone. It's in the corner. She's up the pine, the strawberry city, so let's go for the next beam. By the way. Oh. My screen shut it off. Hold on. There we go. Nah, come on. Hello? A controller dead. Okay, 5 minutes, I know. Here we go again. Tequila. Cambarnos. Foggy out there, I like that. Honey, where are we going? Oh, the music was not actually fine, so let's restart. Oh, that's not the reverse one, that's why I just fucked it up. What the hell I can do with this? Oh. I can't. Tried actually got the Eddie Cat actually from Tequila done. Getting away. The halfway just stopped. Hold on a second. The beer just overflowed. I'm the can dude. I'm not drinking actually from glass bottles. I do when dealing done. But mostly I'm a can dude. Gambatte. Watch out the Formula 1 line! Secondary air pressure. What the fuck? You have to be fast. Why am I crashed in the end? Oh, I hate that. A heavy vehicle, definitely. 4.7 tons or something. What's the formula line? I hate to crash. I hate to go somewhere else. I'm so sorry for that one. Oh. Especially after 3 months actually not driving the truck anymore. You get the whole feeling about on the control system. Commercial! Oh my gosh. Oh my god, all it's a good music. Oh hell no, what happened here? Oh gosh. Alright. The ghouls are out. I think I'm already in the finish line, right? Oh, here we go, I'm coming. Oh yeah! Oh crack! Oh boo! What happened? Holy shit! I can't speed up like that. I broke my record for 20k. Nice work. Next vehicle, sir. Cheers up campaign. That's what we do. Salutes for the next stream. Thanks for watching a little while. I just give myself actually a dislike. Maybe I just... Oops, I just did it again. I'm sorry. Myself.
Face green smiling, talking a lot with myself, face fuchsia tongue out. Gonna say.
Coming outside. Oh, 8,000! We just did the 8,000 drift already. Good up, actually something in here. Be right back. Need to get a pee again. I know, I was told actually, but if I'm drinking tequila a lot, you know, there's always a little pee-pee in here and pee-pee there. Whoop! That was very close to him. Okay, you can expect a little while in here. Be right back, sorry guys. Oh, maybe a girl, female. Ah, this gendering, right? What the hell? If I say guys, I mean actually girls as well. What the fuck? I'm so sorry for that. In Germany, they're going crazy with that stuff. Maybe in America, that just was for 10 years ago. They're just trying and always dealing done with this as well. But I think since 2 years or 3 years, we are just gendering since around in Germany as well with that stuff. If you say man's room, it's a man's room. But if you're dealing down with something else, and saying, hey, what's going on? All the times maybe the girls are saying, I'm not a hey, I'm female. But if you say in Germany, Bavaria especially, hey, that's the whole village actually meaning, hey. Everybody's get mean about, or get called, you know, about this, hey, what the hell are you doing, or something, you know. Alright, whatever. Deep shit. Sorry for that one. My microphone's still on? Not even sure. Let's have to find that out.
Microphone on.
Microphone on. I hope it is so. I'm still in front of the toilet peeing in. If you're peeing and having actually, well, only 2 hands. Get the jogger away and peeing in, and at the same time you're trying actually testing your microphone. What the fuck? Myself. I never will change. Actually, I'm ready for a girlfriend, but she will hate myself very hard, right? Blah. Yeah, something like that. Oh, I like that music very much.
Closed eyes.
Listen about this music right now. If you have Spotify, enjoy it.
URL.
Is that okay? Change your vehicle. Yeah, that was Lucy, that was Icra. It was fun. Split this car up, goddammit. Buying an engine, already done.
takes a little while. Let's see what happened in here. Holy shit, you really want to do this thing this done? This engine is dying. Go for it. Need a lot of horses to move that engine with the gearbox. Oh, come on. I need a 7 in there. Alright, here we go. God, that's extreme, right? That is too much. Guess what? Oh, that is extreme shit. That's my excusement actually for all this stuff. Okay, let's see how that car actually runs then. Wow. On there. Let's see what the ROPs are doing in here. Maybe that's a good one. Maybe it's a bad one. Added to download. Oh, there's a new update? Oh, that's why these guys saying a new update. Oh, okay. CarX Drift Racing Online version 1.32. Downloading right now. 1.6 gigabyte. Oh my gosh. I'm so old school right now. This is so fucked up. That's why I can't do this on. Oh man. So we have to what? We have to stop the stream? You have to stop the stream? Coming back later? Hold on, what happened when I make pause? Going into the game and just want to download actually something? I can't, okay. Because there's actually an update coming up. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Be right back. The download needs actually 10 minutes. Thank you very much for watching. Coming back after the download. Thank you very much. That's weird. That other guy actually told me for 2 hours ago he had a new update for this game. I thought, what kind of an update? This update actually old like for 2 or 3 weeks ago. The last update came on. So let's see what's coming up. We want to work actually on this car and actually playing with the car. So be right back. Thank you very much. The next live stream is coming up in 10 to 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes. Be right back. Thank you very much. Bye bye. またまた。